Hey there, space enthusiasts. It's your girl Veeda, back again to take you on another cosmic adventure. Today, we're zooming in on the ringed wonder of our solar system. You guessed it, Saturn. Get ready to be dazzled by some mind-blowing facts about this gas giant that's definitely not afraid to show off its bling. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the swirling storms, icy rings, and mysterious moons of Saturn like never before. Let's blast off into the world of Fact Fluent 10, where learning about the universe is anything but boring. Here's some interesting information about the gas giant. Let's talk about Saturn's rings. One of the most fascinating facts about Saturn is its magnificent rings. These iconic features are made up of billions of icy particles, ranging in size from tiny grains to massive boulders. Despite their stunning appearance, the rings of Saturn are incredibly thin, with a thickness of just tens of meters. What's even more mind-blowing is that these rings are not solid. They're composed of countless individual particles orbiting around Saturn, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that has captured the imagination of astronomers and space enthusiasts for centuries. Saturn is massive. Saturn has a diameter of approximately 116,464 kilometers, 72,367 miles, making it the second largest planet in our solar system after Jupiter. In comparison, Earth has a diameter of about 12,742 kilometers, 7,918 miles. This means that Saturn is roughly 9 times wider than Earth. Saturn's size is a key characteristic that defines its nature as a gas giant. Unlike Earth, which has a solid surface, Saturn is primarily composed of gases such as hydrogen and helium, with a small rocky core at its center. Its immense size contributes to its powerful gravitational pull, which is about 1.06 times stronger than Earth's gravity at its surface. To further illustrate Saturn's size, you could fit approximately 764 Earths inside Saturn by volume. This sheer scale highlights the vastness of this majestic planet and underscores the awe-inspiring diversity of our solar system. Can a human stand on Saturn? No, a human cannot stand on Saturn's surface because Saturn doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Instead, it's a gas giant composed mostly of hydrogen and helium with a small rocky core. If you were to somehow descend into Saturn's atmosphere, you wouldn't find a solid surface to stand on. Instead, you'd experience increasing pressure and density of the atmosphere as you descended deeper, until eventually, the gases would become so dense and hot that they would behave more like a liquid. Ultimately, the extreme conditions deep within Saturn's atmosphere would be inhospitable and fatal to humans long before you reached any hypothetical solid core. So, while Saturn is a fascinating and beautiful planet, it's definitely not a place where humans could walk or stand. What would happen if Saturn collided with Earth? If Saturn were to collide with Earth, it would have catastrophic consequences for both planets and the entire solar system. Firstly, the gravitational forces involved in such a collision would be immense. The impact would likely shatter both planets into smaller pieces, creating a massive debris field in space. The energy released by the collision would be on an unimaginable scale, far surpassing any natural disaster ever witnessed on Earth. The immediate effects on Earth would be devastating. The impact would trigger massive earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis. The debris ejected into space could also pose a significant threat to spacecraft and satellites in Earth's orbit. In the long term, the collision would have profound effects on the stability of the solar system. The disruption caused by the collision could alter the orbits of other planets and celestial bodies, leading to further chaos and instability. Fortunately, the likelihood of such a collision occurring is extremely remote. The vast distances between planets in the solar system make such events exceedingly rare. Nonetheless, studying the potential consequences of such collisions helps scientists better understand the dynamics of planetary systems and the universe as a whole. What else is interesting about Saturn? Saturn is a treasure trove of interesting facts and features. Here are a few more fascinating aspects. Hexagonal storm. Saturn's North Pole is adorned with a mysterious hexagonal-shaped storm, which is a unique atmospheric feature not seen on any other planet. This hexagon is a persistent cloud pattern that has baffled scientists for decades, and its exact cause remains a subject of scientific inquiry. Moon Titan. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, is one of the most intriguing moons in the solar system. It's the only moon with a dense atmosphere, primarily composed of nitrogen, with traces of methane and ethane. Titan's thick atmosphere and surface features, including lakes and rivers of liquid methane, make it an exciting target for future exploration. Ring System. Saturn's spectacular ring system is undoubtedly one of its most iconic features. These rings are made up of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains to large boulders. The origin of Saturn's rings is still a topic of debate among scientists, but they are thought to be the remnants of a shattered moon or captured material from passing comets. Shepherd moons. Saturn's rings are sculpted and maintained by small moons known as shepherd moons. These moons orbit within or near the rings and exert gravitational forces that shape the ring particles into distinct patterns and prevent them from spreading out too far. Fast rotation. Saturn is one of the fastest spinning planets in the solar system, completing a full rotation on its axis in just over 10 hours. This rapid rotation causes the planet to bulge at its equator, giving it a slightly flattened shape compared to a perfect sphere. These are just a few highlights of the many fascinating features and mysteries surrounding Saturn, making it a captivating subject for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey through the wonders of Saturn. I hope you enjoyed diving into the mysteries of this magnificent gas giant. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our next adventure through the cosmos. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the universe with Fact Fluent 10.